Hello children, welcome back. This is Maushumi Chakravarti and today I will be discussing with you on practical questions related to ledger. If you have not gone through my previous videos, watch it in my channel. So when I talk about ledger account, soon after a transaction which is entered into the primary books of account, that is journal, it is further posted in the ledger account, and we need to prepare a specific account for every individual items posted in the journal entry. So let us solve it by the medium of one question. Example, on 1st April 2017, sold goods for cash rupees 2 lakh, pass journal entries and post them into the ledger account. So the normal transaction goes cash account debit to sales account 20,000. We need to open here two accounts, that is cash as well as sales account. So remember one thing, when we record or open cash account, we will never record the transaction of cash in its particular account. So therefore the remaining aspect, that is as the transaction goes cash to sales, so sales account will be recorded in the cash account. Sales is credit, so therefore we will record it in the two side, to sales account 20,000, and finally since that is debit side is vacant, so we'll balance it up by balance CD 20,000. This is your balancing figure. Similarly, when we start with the sales account, we will not enter the name of sales. We will record the remaining one, that is cash account. Cash is debit. Generally, debit is recorded in the buy side. So, buy cash account, same 20,000. Two side is vacant. We need to balance it up by the medium of balance CD. That is, CD means carried down. So, to balance CD, balancing figure 20,000. Moving on to the next question. This is one question which I have given. You need to pass off journal entries in the books of C.R. Ram and Sons. So journal entries relating to the question when we solve it out. The journal entries I have already posted to in front of you. So after completing of the journal entries, only two solution account we will do. That is first cash account. As per the transaction 2017 April 5, the transaction is April 3. The transaction is furniture account debit to cash. As I told you before, we will not record cash in the cash account column. Therefore, buy furniture 20,000. April 5, it is purchases account debit to cash account. So, buy purchases 50,000. April 14, it is Vishal Trading Company account debit to cash account. So, buy Vishal Trading 19,000. April 20, drawings account debit to cash account, to buy drawings 10,000. April 21, Mohan Garments account debit to cash account, therefore buy Mohan Garment 7,800. April 30, rent account debit to cash, so buy rent 2,000. April 30 again, buy salary account 4,000, that is salary to cash, so we'll need to record salary account. Then two side, it is cash account debit to capital account, so we'll record to capital 2 lakh. April 15, cash account debit to sales account, for to sales 40,000. April 22, cash account debit to Hero Limited account, the to Hero Limited account 8,850. April 25, cash account debit to sales account, that is 12,000. Now we need to find out that the debit side should be equal to credit side and find out which area it is shortest. So as per this cash account, the debit side is total 2,60,850, which is greater when compared to the buy side. That is, two side amount is greater when we compare it with the buy side. So therefore the balancing figure, that is when we deduct 2,60,850 with the remaining balances of the buy side, will get 1,48,050 rupees. That is the balancing figure. As I told earlier, we have to record it by balance CD, by balance carried down, and it will be posted on the last day of the month, that is 30 April. Then moving on to the next same type of transaction on ledger account, we will do purchases account to 2017 April 20. The transaction goes drawings account debit to purchases, so buy drawings. Similarly, two side, April 5, purchases account debit to cash, the to cash 50,000. Purchases account debit to Vishal and trading account, that is why to Vishal and trading account 25,000. Purchases account debit to Mohan Garment account, the to Mohan Garment 16,000. Then purchases account debit to Pawan Brothers account 24,000. So you can already see that two side account balance is 1,15,000, whereas buy side we have only drawing of 4,000. The 1,15,000 minus 4,000, the balancing CD that is the balancing figure which will be carried down will be 1,11,000 and the date will be the last day of the month, that is April 30. So this kind of ledger account continue to do in correspondence to the ever mentioned journal entry. The next part of the chapter will be continued in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.